Hello guys, am I audible? Hello Janta. Hi everyone. Am I audible? Am I visible? Good evening Abhinav. Good evening. Just a second. Okay, perfect. Guys, okay, I am visible. Perfect. Perfect. Good evening Shivam. Good evening. I'm good Shivam. What about you? I'm good. Okay. So, yes, let us start. Why so less people today? Okay. सर आपने बोला है कि आप ग्रिड कंप्यूटिंग वर्सेस अरे ऐसा बोला मैंने अच्छा बोला होगा ठीक है बोला है तो कर देंगे भाई नॉट अ बिग डील हाय होमलैंडर everything is good you tell how is it going how are the sessions going you tell me all good from my end okay pretty good thank you thank you okay so yes any doubts so far janta any doubts so far just let me know if not then we'll start it okay mm, अरे thank you so much fire sanju okay 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 janta so if you don't have any doubts so let us start further okay let us discuss what is prompt priming okay what do you guys understand by prompt priming right any idea what is prompt priming notes I don't know how can I send all the notes maybe in all in one document you will find it right maybe in all in one document you will find the notes because I can't share links in the chat so sharing link in the chat is not allowed okay मतलब if I share it will not be visible to you guys so कोई मतलब नहीं है share करने का so you'll get that in all in one document okay you'll get that in all in one document okay so let us start with prompt priming okay so prompt priming before understanding what exactly the prompt priming is let us first understand what priming is right what is priming what do I understand with the term priming okay so priming refers to a practice of providing some initial inputs okay Ki what I say when I ask something okay when I ask something or maybe when your teacher asks something to you right so maybe in vivas or something they might say a word they might say a some predefined information that okay I want you to answer in one word format I want you to answer in a paragraph or tell me the brief about it right so this is something which is initial input given to you right this is something which is initial input given to you right before generating response out of you right so that is the same case with prompt priming okay that is the same case with prompt priming so whenever I provide some initial input to our model right whenever I provide any kind of initial input to our model before generating a response right before generating the response from our model before getting the response from our model right so that is known as prompt priming okay that is known as prompt priming right now example what is the example of this prompt priming right so let us take an example okay let us take an example so okay So prompt priming kya hai? What is prompt priming? So prompt priming is basically when I provide, right? When I provide any initial input, right? When I provide any kind of initial input to my model that, okay, I want you to answer in this format. I want your answer to be like this. I want your answer to be like that, right? A prior set of information, a prior set of input I already provide to my model, right? Then that is what a prompt priming is, right? That is what a prompt priming is. Okay, so let us now see. Oh यार ये तो add है. Let us now see with an example. Okay, so this is my prompt. Okay, this is my prompt, and in my prompt I am saying act as a writing expert, writing assistant. Okay, I want him to act as a writing assistant. Okay, I want him to act as a writing assistant, and every time I give you any text to review, right? जब भी मैं तुम्हें कोई text दूंगा review करने के लिए, he need to respond in this format. He need to respond in this particular format, right? So what is this format? What is this format? I want him to tell the language, right? सबसे पहले I want him to tell कि whatever text I have written, right? Whatever text I have written, what is the language of that text? Is it Hindi? Is it English? Is it Spanish or like anything else, right? Then is it well written, right? Whatever text I have provided to you, right? Is it well written text? Yes or no, right? Okay, then I want him to give some writing advice. Okay, what best I can do, right? Is it a good writing that I have done, or I need to update something, right? Okay, and if you understand, just say yes. So it has just said me yes, means it understood what I am trying to ask, right? It understood what I am trying to ask to him, right? So let's now try. Okay, मैं prompt भी वहीं से ले लेता हूँ, not a biggie. So yes, okay, this is the prompt. Copy it, paste it. Yes, right? So see, now see, is it the exact same thing? Is it the exact same thing? What I asked him कि मेरे को किस format में reply चाहिए. I wanted first it to tell me the language, then is it well written or not, then I want to have some writing advice from it, right? So now see when it gave me the reply, I gave him a sentence that mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell, right? I gave him this contact. So first it told me the language, that the language is in English. Okay, is it well written? No, it is not well written, right? The correct term is mitochondrion, pata nahi, whatever it is. Okay, the correct term is this, and phrase should be replaced with the mitochondrion. The mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell, right? I'm not sure whether this is the correct term or not. Mitochondria ही होता है वैसे तो but ठीक है, anyways, right? ensure that use the singular form of mitochondrion. Use the singular form of mitochondrion and add the for clarity. Add the for clarity, right? So this is an example of prompt priming, right? Suppose I write something else. If I write hey, my name is Rishabh. Okay, so it is saying that yes, the language is in English, and yes, it is well written. The sentence is clear and grammatically correct. Okay, if you want to make slightly more formal and engaging, you could say hello, my name is Rishabh. Instead of hey, he added hello, and this comma was missing, so he added this comma as well. And my name is Rishabh ka R I have written smaller, and it has done it capitalized, right? So these are the changes that he has asked me to do. Okay, so what is this? This is prompt priming, right? Before giving any prompt, before giving anything, right, I have set a tone. That okay, what I want him to answer. Okay, write this. Okay, I'll write this. Okay, Sachin. Hi, Sachin. Okay, let's see. Language is English. Is it well written? No, it is not well written, right? The sentence should be corrected to hi, I am Sachin. Okay, use am instead of are for correct subject verb agreement, include the comma after hi for better readability. See, okay, Sachin. Perfect. So this is a prompt priming, right? We always provide certain, predefined information, right? We always provide certain predefined initial uh, inputs, and we always tell our model that, okay, I want you to reply in this particular format, right? क्या करना है तुषार, व्हाट यू वांट मी टू डू? भाई पीपीटी में समझ रहा हूं तेरी पीपीटी, बट मैंने दूसरों का क्यों किया? क्योंकि वो कंसेप्ट के साथ जा रहा है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, वो कंसेप्ट के साथ जा रहा था, राइट? तुम्हारे पीपीटी के लिए मुझे अलग से जाना पड़ेगा, वो कंसेप्ट के साथ नहीं है. उसके लिए लास्ट डे रखा है ना भाई, एक दिन रुक जाना भाई, कल कल का दिन और रुक जाना, परसों करते हैं ना वो सारी चीजें. परसों कुछ कुछ थ्योरी नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा मैं, ठीक है? परसों कोई एक शब्द थ्योरी नहीं होगा, ओके? Okay. Yep. So yes, you can always start with the simple starters, right? These are some starters that you can use with ChatGPT, okay, or any AI model, right? That is, elaborate on the purpose of, right? Create a template for, help me create a budget plan for, right? Suggest me something. So these are the templates, right? These are some starter templates which you can screenshot now or you can screenshot later on, no worries, right? And you can always, go with it. You can always use these starters for better outputs, right? For better outputs. Okay. Okay, prompt trimming clear? Prompt trimming clear? अबे, तो ऐसे बोलना है तेरे को काम कराना है मुझसे? बग, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. अब खुद से बना, मेहनत कर, खुद से भी कुछ कर. Okay, so if prompt trimming is clear, right? That's a trick question, Abhinav. I don't think so, but yes, it is enough to understand, how to do prompting. Okay, it is more than enough to understand how you can write the prompts, right? Okay, so yes, it is enough to understand how to do correct prompting, what mistakes you were doing, right? How to do it. See, 5 days boot camp for anything is not sufficient. Okay, I'm not talking about prompt. I'm not talking about any other thing. For anything, I'm talking about for anything, right? It is not sufficient. But these boot camps are here. The boot camps are always here to let you know what mistakes you were doing, and you can follow the right direction. Okay, you can follow the right direction, right? Right. ठीक है, okay. Everyday prompts, right? Let us see everyday prompts in our daily life, right? The prompt that we use in our daily life. Okay, so I am looking to explore, right? Anything that you want to explore in a something manner, right? Do you have any suggestions on the topic that I can cover, right? Iska example, if I talk about the example, so I am working on a newsletter that focuses on technology. Can you recommend topics that would be engaging for my audience, such as latest gadgets and software updates, right? So this is a daily life prompt, right? So suppose you are exploring React.js, suppose you are exploring Node.js, suppose you are exploring like any other thing, right? Maybe UI UX designing, maybe graphic designing, maybe any content creation, maybe copyright creation, right? Whatever you are exploring, whatever you are working on, whatever you are this thing, whatever you are doing, like putting your insights in, right? So you can always say that I am working on this thing, right? Which specifically I want to focus on these aspects, and I want your recommendation, like for to make it more engaging for my audience, and latest gadgets and something, right? भाई क्या चल रहा है ये? After this boot camp, from see, when you want to learn anything, the best thing is practice, bro. Do as much practice as you can, and that's it. ChatGPT, what is time now? Okay, ChatGPT, what is time now? Okay, we can ask that. You ask it yourself now, guys. Come on, ask it yourself. What is the time now? Okay, ask it. Okay, right? Now when you want to, for copy creations, right, or content creations, I can say this is the formula, right? This is the prompt formula. Hi, I am interested in this type of text that highlights the benefit of or something something, and write me dash for the subject, right? Maybe I need an email campaign, right? An email campaign, okay. What is email campaign? So when you want to do any bulk emails or something, right, that you can always say, I need an email that showcases the feature of my new product, or some anything that you would like to say, right? Can you write one for me, and is for the anything, right? Anything that you might write, okay. So this is the prompt formula for content creation, I can say, or copy creation, right? Any kind of content you want to create, you can use that, okay. So client support format email. So again, emailing part हमारे daily life में आती है. Bulk email creation, right? You can always use these kind of protect that. I want you to act as a customer support assistant who is analytical, okay. And what would you respond for the respective tech startup customer care experience or something. Are you getting it, right? These are some daily works. These are some daily works that you do, right? Guys, come on, stop fighting in chat. Please stop fighting in chat. Come on, bro. Are Tushar and this, what is your name? I'm not sure. And everybody, please stop fighting in chat, guys, please. Okay, yeah, okay. So if you want to do any other thing, you can do it, right? You can do it. Okay. Yeah, so these are some frameworks. Before that, let us see few things, okay. Let us see few things, okay. Let us do one thing. Write me 5 things in the chat that you do in your daily life, okay. I'll take top 5. I'll take top 5 chats. I'll pick up top 5 chats. Everybody will write one thing that you do in your daily life, right? So we'll see how we can prompt it, okay. uh, Sir, can okay, wait. Where to get these prompt from? In all-in-one document, you will get this. In all-in-one document, you will get this PPT link. Okay. Sir, please ask this prompt. I recently registered my company and technology. What would you to create the best slogan for it? Again, yeah, you can do it, Sachin. You can do it yourself. Okay, write an email. Okay. So what kind of an email you want to write? Okay. Let us see. Okay, wait. I have an interesting thing for writing an email. Okay. How many of you feel that emails are the boring part? Emails are the boring part to read. How many of you feel emails are the boring part? Okay. How many of you feel emails are the boring part? Okay. Tell me. Write me an email. Okay. Okay. So okay, हम email लिखवा रहे हैं. On what topic? On what topic you want your email to be? On what topic you want your email to be? Okay. Tell me on what topic you want your email. On what topic you want your email. तुषार, please मान जा यार. On leave from office. Okay, on leave from office. Write an email to take leave from office. Okay. It's a very, very vague term, but yes, let's see. Right. Okay. ठीक है. Now see, leave request for date something. Okay. Dear manager. So मैं इसको नाम दे देता हूँ, right? My manager name is Tushar, right? Dates for leave are, आज कितनी है? 3rd August to 6th August, right? And what else? My name is Rishabh. My name is Rishabh, and uh, front end front end developer. ठीक है, तो यस, दीज आर द डिटेल्स. सो ये लो जी, ये आ गया. रिक्वेस्ट अप्रूवल फॉर August 3rd to August 16. गाइस एक मिनट, आई एम नॉट सीइंग चैट, वेट. Okay. So, Tushar, I hope the message finds you well. I am writing this request for August 3 to August 6. During this period, I will be something something, and ये एक boring सा इसने mail मुझे दे दिया, right? Now, I have a mail, right, which is a bit interesting. I have a mail which is a bit interesting. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, let me show you that mail. Wait. I have to make few changes in that. So let me first do that and then I'll show it to you. Wait. Just a second, guys. Give me a few minutes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So this is a mail, right? This is a mail which I myself did to my HR team. Okay. And trust me, the exact mail I did to my HR thing. Okay. So, hey, I am providing you a sample mail, sample mail, and I want you to draft a mail in that format. Okay. So this is a sample mail which I have provided, and trust me, this mail is really very interesting to read. Okay. So I have provided him a sample mail, right? And I have asked him कि भाई मेरे को जो है उतना ही उसी format में mail define कर. Okay. So see, what is the subject? A little break request from August 3rd to August 6th. Hey Tushar, hope you are doing awesome. Okay. I got a small favor to ask that hope will brighten your day just a bit, right? Picture this. Means imagine this. Okay. I am gearing up for a for a, sh- for a short but well deserved adventure away from like daily grind, right? From August 3 to August 6th, I'll be stepping away from my front end wizardry to recharge and come back with even more spark. Okay. Just like how our code needs a little refactoring, just like our code, how our code needs a little refactoring now and then. I'm hoping I'll brief break will refresh and something, 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 right? Yeah, it looks a informal email. It might look a informal email, right? But again, you can draft these kinds of mail as well, right? You are saying informal. I am getting these mails. I am getting these mail. Even I am sending this mail, right? You don't believe me. You don't believe me. See this. See this, right? See this. The mail, right? This is the mail I did. Okay. I actually did this mail. Okay. And it is not, come on, guys. Again, yes, it might sound informal, right? But it completely depends upon your personality as well, right? मेरी personality इस type की है कि ये सब कुछ नहीं लगता informal, right? I am a kind of a person. You can always try a bit interesting things. Step out of this boring life, guys. Come on. वो सारे ओल्ड फैशन गया जमाना, राइट? ओल्ड फैशन का जमाना गया, राइट? मेक थिंग्स इंटरेस्टिंग, right? Make things interesting. Okay. So if you feel that this is informal, I can always say that, okay, hey, I feel this is a bit informal, right? I want it in a funnier but formal way. Okay, let's see. So see, hey Tushar, hope you find this well. I am writing a request brief leave from August Ditna. During this time, I am planning to embark a much needed break to recharge and will return renewed and enthusiastically. So yes, it looks fine. It looks fine. It is not informal. Plus, you are explaining everything that what you want a break. Why you want a break? You want to recharge yourself and will be returned with a renewed and enthusiasm, right, from ongoing product. Okay. What is cold mail? Okay. I'm not sure. Ask ChatGPT. Okay. Ask ChatGPT. Right. So you can always take help of ChatGPT for writing the mails. Okay. You can always take help. Right. What was the other topics? Writing mail to हो गया daily life में. Right. तुम इसको if you want you can ask him that okay I want you to make a template, right? वो template बना के देगा in which you can put your own things, right? Messaging person until they respond. Okay, cold mails. Okay, what you want? What next? Mail के बाद क्या था भाई? अच्छा, sleep programming internship. Act as an interviewer. Okay, let us ask him to study plan. Okay, study plan करेंगे, एक interviewer करेंगे and make a resume template. Okay, diet plan. ठीक है. Okay, so let's ask him to act as an interviewer. Okay, perfect. So hey, I want you to act as a interviewer uh, who takes React.js interviews only. Also, I want you to ask me questions once I answer you the first once I answer you the earlier question, right? So this is the format that you need to follow, right? Okay, so question first would be question, right? You ask me the question. Okay, perfect. Then comes my answer. Okay, then I will answer. Okay, perfect. Once you got the answer, I want you to respond in this format. Okay, maybe accuracy rate, right? Rate me out of 10, right? Then comes improvements. Tell me what and how to improve, right? Then next question. Ask next question. Okay, if you have, okay, so if you understand just say yes. Let's see. Okay, so इसको समझ में आ गया, right? इसको समझ में आ गया. Now I say let's start. let's start. Great. So my first question is, can you please explain the concept of virtual DOM in React and why it is important? Okay. So let's type, or maybe मैं कहीं से उठा लेता हूँ. Let me copy it. मैं type नहीं करने वाला इतना ज़्यादा. Virtual DOM in React. Okay. So yes, so it is. कहाँ है? Okay. तो मैं कुछ ये है इसको कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, right? And I'll paste this so to see what it gives me. Okay. Accuracy is 7/10, right? Improvements, it has given me the improvements, right? And this is my next question. What is the purpose of use effect hook in React and how it is different for component did mount? Okay. To call APIs, maybe मैं एक बहुत vague लिख रहा हूँ, to call APIs majorly, right? To call APIs majorly. Accuracy is 4/10. Improvements, ये इसने exact मेरे को answer दे दिया कि what is the exact answer that should be there, right? Can you explain the difference between props and state in React? Okay, so I don't know. Okay, so accuracy is one, of course. Props and state ka isne, it has given me the example. Then this is the next question. What are the React hooks and something something? Can you see? Acting as an interviewer, but you need to tell what to ask. You need to tell what exactly you wanted, what exactly you want him to do. Okay, what exactly you want him to do, right? You need to tell him that you want him to act as an interviewer, right? And in this format you want your answers. You need to tell him. You always need to tell him, right? Fine? Is it fine? Is it fine? Janta, any doubts so far? This is your personal React interviewer. You can okay. Now ask me. Can you please act as Java interviewer now? Okay. Could you please explain me the difference between abstract classes and interface? Yes. I don't know. Please provide the answer. I know the answer. Could you please provide your explanation of difference between abstract class and interface in Java? Can you please give me a second? Of course, take your time. Let me know when you're ready. Yes, I am ready now. Please go ahead and explain me. Okay. See. Okay. I don't know the answer. देखो जी, अब जब मैंने इसको बोला, अब देखो मैं इसको इतने टाइम से घुमा रहा हूं, राइट? मैं इसको इतने टाइम से आई एम जस्ट मैं घुमा रहा हूं इसको, राइट? तो अगेन व्हेन आई से यस, so it says okay, then if you know then please provide the answer. I know the answer, so it is saying that yes, if you know the answer please provide me. Then I said that okay, give me a second. Still it is taking that okay, of course you can take your time and let me know when you are ready. So when I said yes, I am ready, so it said me great, now please provide me the answer, right? And when I said I don't know the answer, then it finally analyzed me, right? Then it finally analyzed me, right? Is it fine? And this is my next question. What is the final keyword in Java? Okay, so final is a keyword. Final is a keyword that we use in Java. Accuracy 3 खत्म, ठीक है? Getting it, जनता? Sir, please paste the format in the comment box. Okay, let me give you the format. Okay, maybe everyone will use this today. Everyone will use this today, right? Okay, so it is not allowing me. It is not allowing me. I'm sending in parts. Okay, I'm sending in parts. I can't send it completely. I'm sending in parts. So this is the first part. अबे यार ये भी पूरा नहीं जा सकता. Okay, wait. Okay, then I need to send this much, I guess. Copy. भाई साहब ये भी पूरा नहीं जा रहा है जनता. Guys, ये पूरा नहीं जा रहा है, so I can't do anything. I need to send it like this. This is the first thing. This is the second thing. And this is the third thing. So yes, you can take it from chat now. Okay. How can we ask to review our product? Okay, so let us okay. I hope you got the point, right? I hope you got the point, isn't it, Janta? We can't copy. How can we use it in email or PPT? PPT के लिए I told you yesterday. Email के लिए I just told you a few minutes back. So maybe you can revisit the recording part for that. It's not waste everybody's time. So Janta, is it clear? News anchor. अरे यार अब तुम कर लेना ना यार खुद यार. Come on guys, कर दिया ना तो बहुत है ना इतना. सब कुछ मेरे से कराओगे, खुद भी कुछ कर लो यार. है? Okay. Now comes our types of prompting, right? So there are different types of prompting. Are, why are you thanking Let's Upgrade, Sachin? Why are you thanking Let's Upgrade? And okay, Jai Mata Di, that is fine, but why thanks Let's Upgrade? Okay. So yes, there are different types of prompting, right? That we can always do. One is short prompting, right? The first one is short prompting. Now, what do you mean by short prompting, right? Let us first discuss this. कि भाई short prompting में हम क्या समझते हैं? Okay. So short prompting is something when it comes to prompt priming, right? When it comes to prompt priming, right? So prompt priming is prompt. Acha. Sir, you are unable to copy the whole. Can you paste it in the email? No, I can't paste anything in the email. Like, how can I? I can't send you emails, right? I don't know what are you talking about. Okay, so short prompting is just another version of prompt priming. Okay, short prompting is just another version of prompt priming. RIS H hota hai, bro. Okay, copy login if required. Are Janta, I have pasted the prompt already. No, I can copy this, right? I can copy this, but I cannot copy this thing. I cannot copy the whole thing and send you the whole thing. मैं पार्ट्स में कॉपी करके तुम्हें भेज दिया ऑलरेडी, राइट? मैं यहां से कॉपी कर सकता हूं, बट मैं इसको पूरा भेज नहीं सकता. Okay, yeah. So in prompt priming, what happened? In prompt priming, what happened that there are three types. Either you can give zero shot, right? Either you can give one shot, either you can give few shot, right? Now what do I mean by zero shot, one shot, and few shot, right? So when it comes to zero shot prompting, okay, so zero shot prompting means you have not provided any piece of prior information to your model. Okay, you have not provided any piece of guidelines, any piece of rule set, any piece of prior set of information, right, that you want your model to follow, right? That is what a zero shot prompting is, right? Now when it comes to one shot prompting, okay, when it comes to one shot prompting, so only one piece of guideline, one piece of data, one piece of prior set of information is already provided to your model, and that model has to follow that one piece of guideline only, right? It cannot go, it don't need to follow any other thing, right? When it comes to few shot prompting, means there are multiple set of guidelines, there are multiple set of prior information that you have provided to your model, and your model has to see all those things, right? Your model has to take care of all those prior set of information, prior set of guidelines that you have provided it, right? So it has to take care of all those things. It has to take care of all those things. Okay. Okay. Define Rishabh. Array, guys, come on. Yeah. Okay. Now, example of zero shot prompting. Okay, example of zero shot prompting. Write a YouTube script for my tech review channel. It's a very vague sentence, right? It is a very vague sentence. I have not told him like on what product I want him to write a script, on what, what is my channel name, how to I want to greet people, any other thing, right? It is a very vague sentence when I say write me a YouTube script for my tech review channel. It is a very vague sentence, right? It is a very vague sentence. Okay. Now, one shot prompting, using this example, right? Using this example one as a reference, write me a YouTube script. जो मैंने अभी किया था, right? When I asked him to write an email, right? So I told him that okay, I am giving you one email, right? I am giving you one email, and you need to follow the same format, right? And in the same format, you need to write an email for me. Is it? I gave this one shot prompting few minutes back, right? So that was one shot prompting when I provided him a sample email, and I asked him that okay, I want you to answer in this same format, right? So that was my one shot prompting. Okay. Can you explain simple website prompting in GPT? I'll do that, bro. Don't worry. हम पूरे projects बनाने वाले हैं, हम पूरे websites बनाने वाले हैं इसके through GPT के through on the last day. Okay, on the last day. That's it. Fine. Perfect. How to make login interface code HTML using ChatGPT? भाई करते हैं ना, भाई करते हैं ना यार, क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो तुम? करते हैं ना भाई अपन. Okay, few short prompting. Okay, using these example 1, 2, and 3, right? So I have given him multiple examples. For their reference, and I want him to write a 5-minute YouTube script, right, on the latest iPhone camera specifications for my tech review channel, right? Start with 10 minutes hook and notate a photo for like something. Okay, so in this I have given him 3 examples as a reference. I have asked him that okay, you need to make a 5-minute YouTube script, so it will take care in mind that the content that is generating, it is for 5-minute YouTube script, right? I have told him that on what content or what is the topic. The topic is iPhone camera specification, right? And I want this iPhone camera specification review for my tech review channel, right? So it has many more rules to follow. It has many more criteria to look into, right? One is the examples also it need to see, right? A YouTube script should be of only 5 minutes, right? The latest iPhone camera should be the topic and all those things. So this is my few short prompting in which I have given multiple guidelines. I have given multiple set of information, multiple set of data that it needs to follow. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear, जनता? यहाँ तक कोई doubt? Prompting, short prompting clear है? What is short prompting, right? So there are 3 types of short prompting. The first one is zero shot prompting, in which no prior set of information, no prior set of guidelines is given to your model, and your model is not responsible to follow any rules and regulation, right? Then comes your one shot prompting, in which your model has to follow only one set of rules, one set of prior guidelines that you have given. Then it comes to few shot prompting, in which you have multiple guidelines, you have multiple rules, you have multiple prior set of information that you have provided to your model, and your model has to follow each and every of those. Fine, perfect. Then comes your tabular format prompting. This is the most interesting prompting, and this is the most loved prompting, right? I love this prompting very much. Okay, I love this prompting very much. I'm a big fan of this prompting. Okay, मैं इस prompting का बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ, right? So what does right, Sergi? Okay, sensitive. Okay, sensitive. So yeah, what is tabular prompting? नाम से समझ में आ रहा है, right? I guess you guys are getting it by the name itself. That tabular prompting means when you want to get sleep. जिंदगी में स्लीप नाम की चीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती दोस्त मेरी जिंदगी में ठीक है ओके so tabular prompting right so as the name itself suggests that it is something in which I would be getting the outputs in the form of a table right so you have a prompt formula right for this prompting for this type of prompting there is a prompt formula okay I run Instagram cricket reel I used to see chat script yes you can ask ChatGPT to create the scripts it will do it definitely it will do it Bhai, I myself is a YouTuber and I asked ChatGPT to write all my scripts okay I myself is a YouTuber okay yeah so now right prompt formula what is the prompt formula for tabular prompting okay so for tabular prompting the prompt formula simply is just write your question first पहले अपना question लिखो okay what are the different criteria then say उसके बाद जो response आएगा उसका right whatever response he will give you okay whatever response he will give you just say that okay now please divide this response into different criteria and you can break your answer into more descriptiveness right so once I got the answer right once I got the answer of my question now I am asking him to break the answer into different criterias and I want him to give more descriptiveness right more description on it right now once I get the criterias and a detailed description right now I can say that okay now create one table that includes the original answer right with these categories separated into different columns let's see now okay एक ही लेते हैं चलो ओके चलो YouTube की बात हो रही है हम YouTube का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं ओके tabular format prompting is the best prompting which I feel what are the main factors of growing a YouTube channel okay quality content पता नहीं कंसिस्टेंसी मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है एसईओ ऑप्टिमाइजेशन तो होता है वो हाँ एग्जैक्टली ऑडियंस एंगेजमेंट आई डोंट नो एनालिटिक्स पता नहीं प्रमोशंस मैं करता नहीं हूँ थंबनेल्स मैं बनाता नहीं हूँ एंगेजमेंट मैट्रिक्स मैं चेक नहीं करता प्लेलिस्ट एंड स्क्रीन्स मैं डालता नहीं हूँ तो बस मेरा यूट्यूब ग्रो होगा नहीं ठीक है ओके सो यस हाँ now what is the second thing so what are the different criteria that you can break your answer into for more descriptiveness okay let's say this okay these are the criteria okay these are the criteria that it is breaking into okay perfect okay perfect now can you create copy this so can you create one table that includes your original answer and this category separated into different columns तो ये देखिए सर ये हमारे कैटेगरीज आ गई कंटेंट क्रिएशन इसमें फैक्टर्स क्या क्या हैं भाई क्वालिटी होता है वैल्यू होता है नीश डिपेंड करती है और क्रिएटिविटी डिपेंड करती है राइट सो दिस इज द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट वे टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग सी अब मैं एक इसको पढ़ूं एक मैं पूरा ये पढ़ूं राइट और एक मैं सिंपल ये टेबल देखूं to so this table right this table is the way more easier to understand right tabular format से ppt बनाओ अब tabular format से ppt का क्या मतलब है मेरे को बता एक बार बट एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहता है मुझसे कि मैं टेबल बनाऊं मैं टेबलर तो ठीक है बट मैं पीपीटी इसको पीपीटी में डालूं यू वांट दिस कि मैं इस टेबल को पीपीटी में डालूं ऐसा कुछ okay right so this is a tabular format prompting in which you ask a question right first you ask a question then you say okay now break them into different categories once you got the categories then you ask him to create a table of it okay now अब यही तुम किसी के साथ भी कर सकते हो सपोज यू आर प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप राइट okay so I say hey I am planning a trip to Rajasthan for 4 days, right? That is maybe 14th August to 18th August, right? what all places I can visit. Please give me a detailed itinerary. By the way, I would be starting from Gurgaon. Let's see. I'm giving another example only. Don't worry. So see, these he has divided me into the different things, right? So it has given me some things. Okay, it has given me few things. Okay, now I'll apply the formula. Okay, first I'll say what are the different categories that you can break it into. Okay, so let me ask him to break it into different categories. Okay. No, sir, I'm not ignoring you. I'm not ignoring you. I'll ask your question as well. Okay, don't worry. यार guys, come on यार, सबको यही क्यों लगता है कि मैं इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ? Come on यार, please. Now I'll say that okay, now create something so that I can get it better understanding. See, ये लीजिए सर, ये हो गया सब कुछ. अरे भाई टेबल तो बनाना, टेबल तो दे. Please make it in tabular format. अरे ये अटक गया, कहीं तो अटक गया. टेबल बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है बट ये नहीं हो रहा. अरे टेबल बन रहा है गाइस, कम ऑन. वो कभी कभी अटक जाता है चैट जीपीटी, डोंट वरी, वो कभी कभी अटक जाता है. ओके, लेट मी रीलोड द पेज एंड लेट मी आस्क इट अगेन. ओके, डोंट वरी, बनेगा बनेगा, ऐसी बात नहीं है यार. कॉपी दिस, रीलोड इट, पेस्ट इट, डू इट. बनेगा बनेगा यार, कम ऑन गाइस प्लीज. मोए मोए नहीं होता है. ओके ओके डन. सो मैं कॉपी करता हूं. पेस्ट इट. ओके डन, लेट्स सी इट. ये लीजिए सर, आ गया. नहीं हुआ मोए मोए, नहीं हुआ मोए मोए. पीपीटी में चैट जीपीटी नहीं बना पाएगा. ओके, सो यू वांट कि चैट जीपीटी से मैं पीपीटी के अंदर एक टेबल इंसर्ट कराऊं, ऐसा कुछ? यू वांट कि मैं चैट जीपीटी से पीपीटी के अंदर एक टेबल इंसर्ट कराऊं, ऐसा कुछ चाह रहे हो? राइट, सो दिस इज टैबुलर फॉर्मेट, राइट, दिस इज टैबुलर फॉर्मेट. एंड जिसका ये क्वेश्चन था कि हे डू यू नो channel Let's Upgrade? Do you know the YouTube channel Let's Upgrade? Yes, I am familiar with YouTube channel Let's Upgrade, right? It's a channel that focus on tech tutorials, software development and education content related to programming and technology. They offer insights and hands-on tutorials. Okay, is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. So okay, अगर तुम्हें ये चाहिए तो ये चैट जीपीटी फ्री वर्जन नहीं कर पाएगा तुषार. चैट जीपीटी का पेड वर्जन कैन डू इट. ओके, पेड वर्जन कैन डू इट. ओके, चैट जीपीटी का पेड वर्जन कैन डू इट, फ्री वर्जन नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके फाइन. सो ओके, कूल कूल. कैन यू नाउ प्लीज tell me about few upcoming sessions on Let's Upgrade channel. अरे स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया बट ठीक है. हाँ, ये नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकता ऑफ कोर्स. ठीक है, रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. तो जब तुम पीपीटी वाला बोल रहे हो, सी चैट जीपीटी कैन डू एनीथिंग. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर पीपीटी डायरेक्टली ऑन चैट जीपीटी, वो भी कर सकता है, राइट, बट 3.5 नहीं कर सकता, 4 कर सकता है. 4 4 कर सकता है, ओके 4 कर सकता है, 3.5 नहीं कर सकता. You can directly say that okay I want you to make this PPT. वो PPT बनाएगा, you can directly download that PPT as well, okay. तुम उसको डाउनलोड भी कर पाओगे प्रॉपरली, ठीक है. You can do that. यहां तक anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubts so far? नहीं, no, yes, maybe, what? No. सर मेरा प्रेजी एआई पे लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है. प्रेजी एआई पे लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है भाई, गूगल लॉगिन कर ले यार, हो जाना चाहिए, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है. काफी महंगा है यार वैसे, है ना. $4 per month. $4 per month is not a big thing, right? We can pay $4 per month. तो सर एक बार बना के दिखाओ ना इसमें. कल बनाता हूँ पक्का. कल बनाता हूँ दोस्त, आज तो टाइम हो गया है. कल बनाता हूँ, तेरी पीपीटी बनाता हूँ कल मैं. रुक जा, कल मैं तेरी पीपीटी बनाऊंगा, रुक तू. Create a landing page for car website. Last day, Aditya, last day. Complete hands-on, last day. Arkan Sari, sorry, I'm not allowed to share my LinkedIn profile. So, yep, I'm sorry for that. Okay, Janta. Then, if you guys have any doubts, you can ask ChatGPT how to deal with MBBS journey. Okay. Let's see. Let's ask about MBBS. Okay. ये लो जी. First year, second year, third year part 2, final year. अरे अरे तुषार, तेरे पास कहाँ से आई भाई? Can you provide notes for this? Ria, what are you saying? So suppose I have a PPT. I want to collect all the data of PPT. This is possible. Yes, you can do that. No worries. You can do that. Okay. But you need to have a ChatGPT 4 version. Okay, 4.0 version. You can do in that. So yes, I guess it answers your MBBS. Jant, kiska question tha? Maybe you want to elaborate in more detail. You can ask. Ria, I respond that if you have a PPT, then you can collect your data of that PPT, but you need to have ChatGPT 4.0 version. Okay, so in 4.0 version, what you can do, you can upload your PPT directly over there, and okay, uska you can upload directly over there, and then you can ask him that okay, I want to gather each and every data that is present in this PPT. Bye. भाई भाई मेरा क्या क्या है तेरे पास दोस्त? दोस्त मेरा क्या क्या तेरे पास है? Okay, जनता, then I guess let's upgrade. We are good to end this session. Okay, yes, we can end it. मिलते हैं कल. Bye bye everyone.